as we go into the new year, we have a quick and easy meditative Zen rock garden that you can make at home. The first thing that we are going to use is an old VHS tape box. As you can see, it's still got the little slots for the VHS tape. If you're too young to know what VHS is, it's what we used to watch movies on before we had DVD. As you can see that the spine of the case is not connected to the sidewalls. So the first thing you want to do is open your case, and with your finger on the edge, open it up as much as you can. Please ignore the sound of sand falling out. Open your case as much as you can so that you can get the cover out. You can put whatever you'd like on the cover and on the spine. I would recommend putting a different design on your front cover than your back cover so you know which way is up when you are holding the case once the project is finished. But you can put a meditation maze, a mandala, a couple of curse words, whatever you so choose. Then you can slide the cover back in. You put your library receipts into your DVD cases. If you open up the case, you get a lot more room and you don't risk breaking the case. In the video, you will see me using this sand, which is kind of a general purpose outdoor garden sand. However, this does not really show the patterning as well as a more fine-grained sandwood. So in your kits, it's currently on order. You will be getting a nice fine-grain decorative white sand to use. So while my case is drying, I have put a couple of rubber bands around it. I may probably end up keeping these rubber bands on here permanently because they are doing actually a very good job of keeping the case together. So we are going to go forward. So the next step is take your bag of sand and pour yourself a nice base. You don't have to use all of the sand, but you want to have a deep enough layer that you can make your patterns and also sand up your rocks, but not so high that it goes over the top of the rim because you still want to be able to close your case. Once you have your sand, take your gems or rocks or however you want to call them and lay them out. You do not have to use all of the rocks. You don't even have to use them all at the same time. In fact, I'm gonna do that and just have the three of them in a row. And then I'm going to take my fork as a rake and draw my designs through. That was a glue string. There is no wrong way to make your patterns. You just do what feels right to you. And when you're done, you can even leave your fork in there. Just close the lid and your garden will be ready for next time. You could even travel with it, but if you travel with it, I would recommend putting it inside a plastic bag, like a gallon-sized Ziploc, before you travel, just in case any of the sand does leak out.